Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a motion graphic animation using Canva. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our elements. Alright, so I'm going to rotate this burger. I'm going to adjust the size a bit, bring it to this corner. Now I'm going to add a text. I'm going to change the color and the font of this text. Now I'm going to adjust the size of the text. And I'm going to go to animate. I'm going to select the animation baseline. Now I want it to come from the side, so I'm going to work with this one. I'm going to select both, and I'm going to ensure that reverse exit animation is on. I'm going to do the same thing for the burger. So it's coming up, both, turn on. Alright, so now I'm going to go back to elements, and I'm going to add this pop effect. Okay, so I'm going to go to positions. I'm going to put it behind the burger. I'm going to select the three dots, show timing. I'm going to adjust the timing of it. Okay, so now we're going to select hide timing. Alright, so we're going to duplicate the page. We're going to edit this text. We're going to get rid of the burger. We're going to add this pop effect in the middle. Add the pizza. Go back to animation. Change the direction of the text. I want it to come down. I'm going to ensure that both is selected and the reverse exit animation is on. Okay, so now I'm going to add my pizza. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate the page, get rid of the pizza, resize this a bit, bring it to the corner, edit this text. I'm going to go to animation, and I'm going to change the direction of this animation, as I want this to come from the corner. Perfect. So I'm going to go to elements. I'm going to add a burrito. I'm going to resize it a bit. Okay, so I'm going to select the burrito, animate. I'm going to select the animation baseline. I want it to come from the top. Perfect. So I'm going to select both, and I'm going to ensure this is on. Alright, so I'm going to go back through the clips to ensure everything is fine. So animation baseline, go to the pizza. Alright, so we didn't have any animation for the pizza, so let's add the animation baseline. We want the pizza to come up. I'm going to select both. Ensure the reverse exit animation is on. Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to duplicate this page. We're going to get rid of everything. We're going to add a text. We're going to change the font and the color of this one. Okay, so we're going to bring it to the top. We don't want it to come out the frame, so take your time. Perfect. Alright, so now we're gonna go back to elements. We're gonna add a sticker. We're gonna add a text in the sticker. So, special offers 2 for 1. We are going to change the color of this one, and we're going to add an effect to it. Select effect, lift. Okay, so we're going to group both of them. Resize, and then we're going to bring it to the corner. Let's rotate it so that it doesn't come out the frame. Okay, so now we're going to add back our pizza, burrito, and our burger. So we're going to flip the burrito. We're going to add it behind the pizza. And we're going to add our burger. Okay, so we're going to bring this to this corner. We're going to bring the burrito to this corner. We're going to rotate it a bit. Okay, so now we're going to duplicate this page. We're going to bring back everything in the frame. We're going to select all 3 of them. We're going to resize. Now we're going to bring back in the sticker. And our text. Now we're going to add the transition match and move between both these. And we're going to add the transition circle white right here. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.